I fucked up. This was supposed to be a completely different video than what I'm filming right now. We were gonna make a video on how to make your filming environment better to get better content. And about 2 minutes into sitting down and talking to the camera, I realized that this was not a good video. And the reason why it wasn't a good video is because it didn't respect your time. It didn't have a high value per minute. It would have been an hour-long video that we would have forced with packaging and just rammed it down your throat. And I don't want to be that way. I see a lot of creators, get to a point where maybe they're getting some momentum and success, which shockingly, and I'm the most surprised person in the world for this, we've had a lot of that on this channel. And I see creators get to that point and then start cashing in their videos. They have great packaging, title and thumbnail that really attracts a lot of clicks, but the substance isn't quite there. And I don't ever want to be known for that. I want to be known for respecting my audience's time, respecting your time. And so what I want you to shift is, instead of focusing around views and going viral, optimize your content around the value per minute or value per sentence. Or if you're making shorts, the value per second, because we only got a minute. That's what you want to be doing. You want to respect your audience's time. There's millions of different content and algorithm hacks out there. And I'm sure they're all fucking wonderful. But the thing that's going to actually give you the greatest returns is if your audience wants to watch your future content because they got a lot of value out of this one. And so rather than jamming a 1-hour video down your throat, we decided to do this video instead. Change what you are optimizing around. If you optimize around your audience's time, they will repay you by giving you more of it. See you on the next video.